Short video today on the R53 door strap. These things go after a while, they don't hold the door, so we're gonna pull this rubber off and off, and ooh, yeah, that one's got a bit rusty. Hopefully that'll come off. Torx bits, we'll undo those. E-Torx on that side, which I've got one. This might be a bit big, might be right. I'll have to go and see if we can get another one. Right, we'll get those bits and undo it. T30. Don't want to undo it up, do we? We want to undo it. Not too bad. Hopefully the rusty one comes undone as well. We'll have to... Ooh, is there something in there? Oh, good stuff. We have to give this one a bit of a clean up. One. Ooh, there we go. So, nice new one. Definitely goes up this way. This bit's going to go in the door. Then it's based on this piece here. Right. Here we go. I'm going to give that a bit of a clean. Let's see what. Just check there's no. Cool. Quick wipe. Let's see if we can. There we go. Right, I'm going to put the top screw in, but the bottom screw I'm going to give it a bit of a clean up first, so I need two hands. Right, just putting this part in here. I've got one screw in the top there. Just want to. Oh, it's nice and stiff to get that out. Yeah, it should hold now. Quickly do this up. Quickly do this one up. Nice and tight. I'll get this other one. Now I won't tighten this one up just yet because I need to. Here's the other screw, and as you can see, it's a bit crappy. And let's just wind it in though. I just want to test the door, and that'll be the end of the video. Put that also. If I put the bottom one in, I can tighten this top one up. Tighten the top one up. No doubt you end up with the screw hole in the wrong place. But right. Oh, that's so much better. It really just sits nicely in those different locations. Oh, so much better. Right. That was it. Nice and easy change. Not too much, not that much, not really that expensive part, to be honest. I just got that from the mini dealer. Nice and easy change. Got to take that off. Should know how to take that off. See another video for that. Thanks for watching. Take care for now. Bye.